Hi, good evening, everyone. How are you? I do apologize if the screen blinks a little bit. We've got an interference here. I don't know from where, but it's not working properly. So I guess the retrograde is still alive and kicking. Speaking of which, did you see that I did a post earlier today just explaining what is in retrograde and what the effects are? So please, if you are feeling a bit pressed and things are not going in the right direction at the moment, just breathe. Hang on, breathe, just hang tight, it'll get there. Okay. And then I also said tonight I'll do live questions. So whoever's got a question, if you're able to connect, depending on the weather, because we've got a lot of weather disturbances with severe thunderstorms in between, please do connect. Otherwise, afterwards, you're always welcome to just put your question at the bottom and I will respond to it still. Okay, so for tonight, we've got the disseminating moon. Take a breath. It's time to breathe a little bit. Okay, so what this card brings us is the knowledge that I am where I am and it's okay. For this moment, for here, for now, it's okay to be here. Just step a step back, take a deep breath, just pull yourself into yourself and just breathe a little bit. Stop pushing, stop chasing. Just relax a little bit and breathe. Everything will still happen. Okay? Don't stress about it. Everything will still happen. And it's also time for you to share your wisdom and experience with someone else. If there's someone else that is battling, that's doing the same job as you, or the same hobby as you, or that's in the same situation as you, life situation, whatever, take the time to go and sit with that person and actually help them. Just remember how you got to where you are, also with the help with others. And even if you want to say, but nobody helped me, just go and sit and think a little bit. Who gave you advice? Who encouraged you? Who told you, oh, it's not that bad, you'll make it? Okay. You should know where you stand either now or very soon. If your question was, um, what is going on around me? Is it sufficient? Is it the time to move? Is it the time to stay? You should just hang in a little bit. Your question, the answer to your question is coming. Okay. And also it suggests that the question you're asking about, everything is now peaked. It's time for you to regroup and learn from your experiences instead of barging forward blindly. You know, it's a good thing to be proud and it's a good thing to be um, stable, but it's a bad thing to be hard-headed, that you don't want to listen, take advice, and learn from your past experiences or from anyone else's experiences. You need to actually be able to say, you know, I can listen to advice. That's why people are put on our way to advise us. That's why we're being guided. Try to accept the way things are now, okay? Give yourself and others time out to relax. Stop pushing. This is the biggest thing here is just take a deep breath. Stop pushing, 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 pushing. You're making yourself up. You're making the other people up. You are not going to get any good results from pushing and pushing and pushing. And I hope whoever asked this question that it's actually reaching them. So please pay heed. Okay. And avoid falling into a slump. Just because things are now not going the way that you wanted it, that you planned it, and that which you're pushing for, it's no reason to actually go and fall down and say, oh, it's all gone to hell, now I can't do anything. No. Just take a step back, have a bit of a breather, and then you can carry on again without pushing. Okay? Also, it's just that the message more, also, well, not more, but in here is also for you to take note on how to do things differently going forward. That's why it says step back a little bit, breathe, and then you can carry on again. Okay? Be honest with yourself if you feel bad about your current situation. And then just remind yourself that life goes in circles. What goes down must go up, what goes up comes down. It's just a continuous circle. It's not the ideal time to start something new. That's why it's telling you to step back and just hang 10 a little bit. And then I couldn't have said it better. Give yourself some time to think about what has passed and give yourself some time off. And this is what came out tonight. And I, for the life of me, cannot see anyone here. I'll check afterwards if there's any questions, then obviously I'll give attention to it and I will answer it. I don't know what's going on with this Facebook, but it's really causing errors and problems. So I will check in a bit later. Okay. I hope this answered your question. And please, if you've got any questions, and also remember, I have got the special on. I will continue to help everybody out with that special. Please just make sure to book your space. I will move things around to accommodate you. I still can't see anyone that's come on live. I don't know. My signal is also on and off on this side. Okay, so that was a reading for tonight. I hope it helped you. If you need any more insight into it, please book your session with me. As I said before, this is just a short input. It's not the whole thing. Your whole reading takes time and it takes concentration and it pulls in everything else and completes the whole picture. This is just like not even a third of the picture. Okay, so keep well. Bye.